What's up, Glow fam? So we're just outside. This is our first big winter snowstorm and the kids just had to come out here. So I'm gonna give you guys a little clip of this and we're gonna see you guys in the next. Bella!
Hey, Glow up fam!
RJ, you having fun? You guys, they've been waiting for this for a long time. They haven't ever really played in snow, so they've been waiting for this for the longest. Yeah, I see. It's crazy. It's crazy, guys. It is deep out here. The snow is deep. Whew. Guys, it's so deep, right? They're getting soaked up, you guys. Alright, you guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we're going to see you guys in the next video. I don't want to have the camera out for too long because it is coming down bad out here, you guys. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, you guys. Say what's up, Glow fam.
What's up, Glow fam?